This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a high-fiber base. Choose whole grain or bean pasta to keep you full. Bring salted water to a boil, add 2 cups pasta and cook al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes so it won't get mushy after mixing. Drain and rinse immediately with cold water to stop cooking and remove surface starch, which helps the salad stay light. While pasta cools, whisk a simple dressing. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon mustard, and a pinch of salt. Once the pasta is cooled, you move to texture and nutrition. Chop 2 cups of colorful vegetables, bell pepper, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes, for crunch and volume. Make sure to add 1 cup of lean protein such as grilled chicken, canned tuna in water, or chickpeas if you prefer plant-based. Protein increases satiety and preserves muscle during weight loss. Toss in fresh herbs, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a teaspoon of zest for brightness, and adjust seasoning with a pinch of black pepper to balance flavors. You finish by tossing the pasta mix with dressing while it's still slightly warm so flavors cling. Make sure to refrigerate for 30 to 60 minutes to let ingredients marry, then divide into 3 or 4 portions to control calories. Aim roughly 350 to 450 kilocalories per serving depending on your plan. If the salad becomes soggy, don't panic. Drain any pooled dressing, add fresh greens or extra raw crunchy vegetables, and store dressing separately next time to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.